More people around the country, especially those in rural areas, will now have access to treated water supply. The Ministry of Works, Transport and Public Utilities has adopted a new Ecological Purification System, or EPS. In collaboration with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, the system of purifying water will be beneficial to those living in rural areas. JICA also assisted 5 locals to train in Okinawa on low-cost water treatment.
This Ecological Purification System, or EPS technology, was identified to be suitable for the rural population in Fiji. The technology was found to be very cheap, effective, and above all, has been proven to be working perfectly in Japan.
Commander Keane says their aim is to reduce the water quality gap between the urban and rural dwellers. He says this EPS model will provide safe and clean drinking water to those living outside major divisions.
This week, the Ministry, through the Department of Water and Sewerage, will be installing 2 pilot projects at Kalokolevu and Nabutulevu villages. The 2 experts will be conducting training on site. The 2 villages are next to where the Water Authority of Fiji pipeline ends.
And JICA has dispatched experts to help in the design and construction of ecological purification systems in the country. Dr. Nobutada Nakamoto, a leading scientist in Japan, will train staff on installation and operation of the EPS.
That the system on its own is useless without capable personnel who are able to operate and maintain the technology effectively and efficiently. This is why the workshop and training program organized today is very important. For we have amongst us the very people who will ensure that our rural communities have access to their basic rights.
There should be a natural balance where these organisms will actually harvest and give them some nitrogen. Now, in case, some people, there's another school of thought, they say that maybe the algae needs to check what kind of algae.
Just under 2,500 villages across the country are using untreated water from various water sources. This afternoon, Kalokolevu village outside Suva became the first to trial a new system that could change all that. As Ndreo Vukelangi explains, the success of a new ecological purification system should improve water quality right across the country.
When you consider that a total of 2,497 rural water supply schemes around the country supply water with no proper treatment, this ecological purification system at Kalokolevu could soon change all that. This pilot project is in partnership with the Department of Water and Sewerage as well as Japan International Cooperation, JICA.
This ecological purification system shall ensure that people in this village of Kalokolevu and other rural areas in Fiji may now adopt a relatively cheap, sustainable option for cleaning their water supply naturally without the use of chemicals.
This pilot project is a result for JICA-funded training in Japan, attending by some of our water officials learning about low-cost, effective technology. The Ministry of Works hopes that this can assist more than 70% of those in the rural communities.
About 70% of our rural and maritime population consume water directly from creeks and river sources, which are most vulnerable to contamination. The intent of government and the ministry is to install ecological purification systems or other water purification systems in all these water supply projects to ensure the removal of contaminations before water is consumed.
Kalokolevu and Vatuvula villages were chosen as the first villages in the country to trial the EPS technology, which offers a very simple water treatment model. For those in Kalokolevu, it also comes with a challenge on maintaining this project.
Any matters negatively impacting on the ecological purification system must be addressed, and advice may be sought from the Department of Water and Sewerage for such assistance.
Ndreu Bukelangi, Fiji One News.